देखो यहाँ बगल में यार, ये look at just where I am pointing out. This is the anterior region. This is the, I have written anterior. These two regions, these two genes, biquired genes and hunchback genes. These two genes are responsible for the differentiation in the fertilized egg, and which part is different, which part is determined by these two genes. Anterior regions. Which regions? Anterior regions. This anterior regions, सुनो पहले फिर से again. This anterior region, this part where I am pointing out this anterior region. Anterior regions is, and anterior region is encoded by these two genes, biquired genes.
Biquired gene and hunchback gene.
This is of the differentiation of the anterior region. Now look at this, the third genes, caudal genes and nanos gene. These two genes are responsible for the
Posterior region.
Posterior region. Okay. Now look at the this fifth and sixth gene. So torso genes are responsible for the differentiation of the extreme anterior position. Extreme मतलब सबसे सबसे अगला हिस्सा, anterior का आगे का हिस्सा. So this is the extreme anterior posterior region. यानी posterior region का सबसे extreme part और anterior region का सबसे extreme part. The extreme part of the posterior and the extreme part of the anterior regions are determined by this torso genes and the dorsoventral. This is the dorsoventral. Dorsoventral part of the fertilized egg is determined by this tall genes. Dorsoventral axis को ये, this is no, this I have. Let us look at this red line, vertical line. The dorsoventral region, and these tall genes are responsible for the dorsoventral axis differentiation. So these are the 6 very important genes which are responsible for the anterior-posterior and dorsoventral pattern of the fertilized egg of this Drosophila. Now look how the manner in which these genes work. Now look at first, how does the cascade of this the chain of this chain of expression of these genes take place? At first, look here. At first, the biquired gene. At first, the biquired gene and at first the biquired gene undergoes transcription to form mRNA. This mRNA, biquired mRNA, undergoes translation to form the protein. This protein acts as activator. It acts as activator and it activates the expression of what? Expression of oxygen. Hunchback gene. Pehle, which gene will be expressed first? Biquired gene will be expressed. It will be transcribed to produce protein, and that protein will act as the activator. And this protein, which has been encoded by the biquired gene, is responsible for activating the second gene, which is the hunchback gene. Under the activation undergoes the transcription to form hunchback mRNA, and this hunchback mRNA is translated to produce the protein. Okay? And this protein, देखो, this protein is responsible for the This protein is mainly responsible for the anterior region development. Now let us look at the second set of genes. Look here. This is the nanos gene. Nanos gene is expressed as first form the mRNA. This mRNA is translated to produce protein, and this protein acts as activator and activates the which gene? Caudal gene. Caudal gene is transcribed to form the caudal mRNA, which is translated to produce protein, and this protein is responsible for the posterior region. So this is the sequence of the expression of the. So which are expressed first in this in the first two, this is the first set. There are 4 sets of gene. Look here, this is very important point, Ujma. The first set includes biquired and hunchback gene. The second set includes caudal and nanos gene. The third set of gene is known as torso gene, and the fourth set is known as tall gene. Although you don't look at this serial number, rather look at the, just I am telling you that the first biquired and hunchback genes is the first set of gene. Caudal and nanos gene constitute the second set of gene. The torso gene constitute the third set of gene, and the stall gene constitute the fourth set of gene. So ये fourth set of genes, these genes are responsible in totality. All these genes, four sets of genes are responsible for this anterior posterior and dorsoventral differentiation of the egg. ठीक है? Okay. Now look at these three genes. अच्छा, now look at the anterior region में क्या होता है? The anterior is यहाँ पर, here I have written here from which part of the egg which organs are developed. Let us look here. Anterior region से कौन क्या develop होगा? The anterior region will give rise to the development of head and
thorax.
the posterior region will give rise to the various segments of the terminal. The terminal region will give rise to the production of specialized structure.
and
Unsegmented region में एरोन होता है, टेल होता है, एंटीना होता है. ठीक है? Now let us see the dorsoventral region. ये dorsoventral part लिखा हुआ है. dorsoventral part से ड्रोसोफिला का dorsal part body का बनता है और ventral part से ventral part. जिस देखने यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है? Legs are here, seen here. These are the legs of this drosophila. This is the wing of drosophila. This is the antenna of drosophila. This is the abdomen. This is the segment.
Yes.
Now look at these genes. The genes written here in the red. Gap genes, pair rule genes, and segment polarity genes. This gap genes include क्या? These acquired Hunchback and nanos are the examples of the gap genes. समझ में आ रहा है? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This gap gene, this
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही, क्लियर एकदम नहीं आ रही है।
आवाज तैयार कर रहे हो क्लास के लिए. पहले देख गैप जीन, देखो पहले ये गैप जीन दिख रहा है बोर्ड पर. हेलो.
Yes.
I have written here the gap genes. These gap genes, pair rule genes, and segment polarity. These gap genes include all these. Likewise, gap genes differentiate the embryo into three regions: Kruppel region, Nirp region, and giant region. These are the three important terms here. The gap genes which include the backward, hunchbacks, and caudal and nanos, they bring about the differentiation of egg into three dorsoventral part. Three dorsoventral part, which are known as Kruppel region, Nirp, K silent है, K is silent, Nirp region, giant region, and Kruppel region. There are three regions which dorsoventral region like this. अबे हमको यहाँ डायग्राम समझाना होगा. देखो यहाँ. हेलो, इसको मिटाते हैं हमें. देखो यहाँ, look at these regions. इसको Kruppel, ARU double यहाँ. This is the, ठीक है. This is giant. ठीक है. हेलो. हेलो उजमा.
Yes, sir.
Is also bring about the differentiation of this embryo into three dorsoventral parts. The first one is Kruppel, Nirp, and giant. Okay, so this gap and these gap genes are responsible not only for this dorsoventral differentiation, rather these are also responsible for the anterior posterior in this way, and dorsoventral in this way. Okay, so these gap genes are responsible for the anterior posterior and dorsoventral differentiation of that. And this
नहीं दिख रहा है।
ठीक हम दिखलाते हैं. The pair rule genes में the gap genes are transcribed to produce the protein, and that protein bring about the expression of activate the expression of pair rule genes, and pair rule genes are responsible for the formation of a strip-like pattern in the embryo. And these segment polarity genes are responsible for the formation of this segment. Look here, the segment present in the abdomen region. The segment present in the abdomen region are encoded or controlled by the segment polarity genes. What does this diagram show? Diagram I have already shown you and tried my best to make you know the function of genes and the expression of genes at various stage. Which genes are sequence of expression. I have just mentioned here which genes are expressed as for sequence of expression of gene. I was trying to make you know. So in the nutshell, as far the summary is concerned, what the main points which I want to put before you is that the regulation of gene expression in Drosophila depends upon the various developmental embryonic developmental stage, and not only this, these genes are expressed in sequence, and all the genes are not expressed all the times. Rather, a particular developmental stage in the during the embryo development in Drosophila depends on the expression of various genes. At first, what happens? Ujma, again I point out that there are about, I have just pointed out at the beginning of this lecture that there are about 30 genes. There are about 30 genes which play a very important role in the embryonic development and that in deciding the pattern in the embryo. But out of these 30 genes, the 4 genes are very important, and these 4 genes are which genes? These 4 genes are biquad gene, hunchback genes, caudal gene, and Nano's gene. And these 4 genes constitute 2 sets. The first set of genes include biquad and hunchback. The second set include the caudal and Nano's. And the third set is the torso. And the fourth set of the gene is the tall genes. And torso gene encode a particular enzyme which is responsible for differentiation, whereas the tall genes encode a protein which is a transmembrane protein. I think that you might have already studied the transmembrane protein during your BSc part 1 while you were studying the plasma membrane. There are 3 types of proteins in the plasma membrane as in accordance with the आप प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन का मॉडल पढ़े हैं ना, फ्लूइड मोज़ेक मॉडल. हेलो साफिया, उजमा, I think that I just want to recall your memory that I have already studied the fluid mosaic model given by the Sanger and Nicholson. And according to this, there are 3 types of protein: integral protein, peripheral protein, and transmembrane protein. The transmembrane proteins are found across the membrane. Okay? So these tall genes encode the transmembrane protein. Torso gene encode enzyme tyrosine kinase. So these are the 3 first set, second set, third set, and fourth set. These 4 sets of genes are very important, and these genes are expressed to bring about the anterior-posterior and dorsoventral differentiation or pattern development in the earliest stage of the development of the embryo from the fertilized egg of the Drosophila. Later on, बाद में क्या होता है? बाद में फिर ये जो पेयर रूल जीन्स होते हैं, इसलिए पहले में तो आप गैप जीन में तो देख ही लिया 4 है वो. अब ये पेयर रूल जीन तभी एक्सप्रेस होंगे. एट फर्स्ट द गैप जीन्स आर एक्सप्रेस, देन द पेयर रूल जीन्स आर एक्सप्रेस. सेकंड स्टेज, द थर्ड स्टेज में सेगमेंट पोलैरिटी जीन्स आर एक्सप्रेस. तो पेयर रूल जीन्स will be expressed when the at first gap genes are expressed, and that protein will bring about the expression of pair rule gene, and the pair rule genes are responsible for the formation of strip-like pattern in the embryo. When the pair rule genes are expressed, their protein activate the segment polarity gene, and that segment polarity genes are expressed to produce the protein, and that